the car, he wouldn't let me. He told me that he gonna kill me if the police come. He's still here.
Okay, 6-6 and Vernon. So what happened right now?
Me and my girl arguing, but that's it.
Okay, you have any weapons on you? You mind lifting up your shirt?
Come on, man, what's y'all on?
Yo. Oh, stop, leave me alone. Chill out. No. Yo, don't reach, man. Stop reaching. Yo, he has a gun. Stop it. Yo, dude, stop.
According to Illinois State Police, officers responded to the 6500 block of South Champlain Avenue at approximately 10:50 at night after a woman called 911 from a vehicle traveling on Interstate 57, reporting that the driver was battering and threatening her. She later exited the vehicle near Champlain Avenue and told dispatchers she feared for her life because the driver was armed and remained nearby. Welcome to Incident on Record. Let's get into it.
You got out the car already?
Yes, but I'm fearful for my life because he has a weapon. And he told me that he was going to do it to me.
Okay, is he still there?
Yes.
All right, let me know. 6-6 and Vernon.
I tried to get out the car, he wouldn't let me. He told me that he gonna kill me if the police come. He's still here.
Okay, 6-6 and Vernon.
I'm on 65th and Champlain.
Champlain?
I have bruises all over me, yes.
Ocean 356, but Ocean 356,
He's in the back of my house.
Timothy Lane and Dawn Avenue.
Oh, look at what
That Frank B. Paul 35, 281. That Frank B. Paul 35.
Okay, we're going.
No, it ain't.
What kind of gun is it?
You got him off the top.
What kind of
Ocean 356, that Frank B. Paul 351 here.
Okay, I'm right here at 60. And you said, where is he at right now?
He's in the back of my house. I know I've been on the phone with him this whole time.
Where are you at right now? 65th?
I'm in my house.
Okay, but where?
I'm
And you said he's in the alley?
Yes, he's in the alley.
They're saying that he's in the alley somewhere right here, 65th and... You said it's at 66 and Vernon? And he's in the alley. It's like 4 blocks that way. And black Jeep, right? You said?
Yes.
Do you know the plate?
And he is. I don't remember it. All I know is it's Jalen Carpenter.
Jay.
Yes.
I know it's weird.
They down the street on Vernon. They've been following us the whole time since we left on call.
Hey, do you still see him or not?
Y'all gotta hurry up because he has a switch.
Okay, but where is he at?
So he's in the backyard. Yes, he put his hands on me. No, look at my body. Every time I try, he said he gonna do something to me. I don't. You let him. Bruises all over my body.
So what happened right now?
Me and my girl arguing, but that's it.
Okay, you have any weapons on you? You mind lifting up your shirt?
Come on, man, what's y'all on?
Yo. Oh, stop, leave me alone. Chill out. No. Yo, don't reach, man. Stop reaching. Yo, he has a gun. Stop it. Yo, dude, stop.
Shots fired! 65th and Vernon!
6-5 and Vernon.
Man.
Hey, secure him. Reach it. Where is it? Where's the firearm?
Right here.
6-5 running, we're secured. Expedite fire.
Ma'am, did you see anything?
That's my daughter. He had to shoot.
I already knew that. I told him he got a switch. I knew he had a switch. You see it on the ground. They was arguing. Yeah, they just killed my boyfriend because he pulled the gun on the police.
The suspect was later identified as 24-year-old Jalen Carpenter. Officers provided first aid at the scene before paramedics transported Carpenter to the University of Chicago Medical Center, where he was later pronounced dead. A firearm was recovered at the scene. No state troopers were injured in the incident. The involved officers were placed on standard administrative status, pending the investigation. The ISP Division of Internal Investigation is leading the case, with its findings to be submitted to the Cook County State's Attorney's Office for review once the investigation is complete.
The gun! You have the gun! Cut it out! Cut it out! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You Stop!
Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record Weekly.